So Jones Lang LaSalle's recently published a report, all about smart buildings. Could you tell me exactly what are smart buildings?
Well, that's a great question, because there are a lot of definitions, and it means different things to different people, and there's sort of different degrees of smartness, if you will, for a building. Buildings for a long time have had building automation systems that know kind of generally when to turn things on and off, for instance, by time of day. But new smart building technology that has emerged that'll connect into these automation systems and really mine and extract the data that's resident in those systems and enable, through communications and cloud-based computing and new computer-based algorithms, enable us to optimize and fine-tune the performance of all the building systems and equipment all the time. So it's a 7x24 supervision and control of the building systems and equipment, and really enabling building owners and managers to optimize the performance of every piece of equipment in the building in response to changes in weather, changes in occupancy, and changes in equipment performance. So it's taking kind of what's been resident inside the buildings and taking that to a whole new level, and in return generating some pretty significant energy savings in buildings.
So what factors are influencing the decision to do this in buildings?
Well, one of the key drivers is cost savings. So it's a great opportunity. It's sort of a no-brainer to take building energy performance to the next level. It's rare that we find buildings where this doesn't work, and it's relatively low upfront capital expense. We're seeing paybacks consistently 18 months or less. So relatively inexpensive technology, quick return on investment. So that's clearly a key driver. Other drivers out there, it really helps buildings to be more flexible in response to changes in occupancy and changes in use. And it's really changing the way that we manage buildings. Our IntelliCommand product not only saves energy, but it allows us to be more proactive in terms of our building operations. We can detect through this technology that a piece of equipment's performance is beginning to degrade and make corrections before a failure occurs. So it's really reducing our reactive work orders, enabling us to correct deficiencies before tenants or occupants even notice. So it's improving building reliability as well as improving energy efficiency.
So how are firms realizing the ROI?
Well, the ROI is, a big part of the return on investment is, from a pure dollars and cents standpoint, are the energy savings. And we have done a number of installations now all over the world. We're approaching 100 buildings and 20 million square feet. We have yet to see a payback that was more than a year and a half, and relatively low upfront capital requirements. So when our clients see that, when they see the testimonials, when they see the case studies, when they see the results that we've delivered, that our ROI really resonates in terms of energy savings. And then the other benefits that you can get on top of that in terms of improved building operations and performance.
Okay, wonderful. Thanks.
Sure, my pleasure.